The reason why I chose this car, it was a great opportunity to buy a limited edition Volkswagen. There was 1,200 made. A friend reached out and said, hey, there's a really cool car and we should look into that. I ended up talking to the owner and did a test drive. He originally wanted $1,700 and later in the day got it down to about $1,000, and that included a free tow home. So it was a great opportunity to buy a cool car. Currently on this car, I have a full CTS K04. That would be a turbo, intercooler, and also there's CTS mounts. So that's for the transmission and engine. I also have CTS intercooler, or sorry, intake, that's my apologies, intake. And I also have a 3-inch APR catback. And to add to that, I also have the runner flap delete and also the TSI roller conversion kit. What do I love is very easy for me to say. I love the uniqueness and I love the community that this car has brought. More importantly, the people that I've encountered. I don't really hate anything about this car. It's more about a few dislikes. It's more of the common Mark V platform issues, such as the wiring in the doors. I've had some overheating issues because this is a fresh rebuild. Other than that, it's been a very straightforward car. I know this platform can rust. Fortunately for this car, it hasn't suffered from the rust, being a New Jersey car its whole life. But to complete that question, I don't really have any hate or dislike towards it. Parts that I would like to purchase from Parts Avatar would include a lot of liquid moly products, such as oil or additives. Also, I would be looking into purchasing brake pads and rotors, any normal day-to-day wear items that I would need to continue driving. Also, I can add preventative maintenance parts, such as cam followers, if I needed, or air filters. My recent purchase from Parts Avatar included 5 liters of liquid moly, an oil filter, and a new drain plug. It was a super easy process. Went on their website and placed the order. Came with free shipping. This one's near and dear to my heart. My favorite memory is meeting the love of my life, my girlfriend currently. This being a numbered car and being in Canada, we didn't get a lot of these cars up here. So from this car, I found a Facebook group that would be the Fahrenheit Owners Club, primarily based in the United States. I joined the group, and following that, I was scrolling Facebook the one day and came across Amberlyn, my girlfriend. Well, not at the time, but now. And we ended up talking, and sure enough, one thing led to another, and her and I came to an agreement to meet up. She's in Seattle, and me being close to Toronto. It is a distance thing, but we made it work. I flew down, and the rest is history. And we've had some really, really great memories being around the car. You know, I send her parts, I send her anything that she would need to get her car going and running. And that's all.
Remember, Parts Avatar has got your back, so don't forget to subscribe to the Parts Avatar channel so you don't miss any of these exciting videos.